Welcome back, everyone. We are going through the second part of this song. Think of this as more like Guitar 2. Make sure you're in tune, and we're getting started. For recap purposes, we're starting off with the D minor. It's more like D harmonic minor. And what we're going to be using is, if you don't know where we are right now, you can check out this video right here. So we're going to be doing the octave of that. So if I take this D and I go to the D string 12th fret, I have the octave. And now this is going to look slightly different because that second string is moved over one fret. So instead of doing right here to here, I've got to go over one fret. So there's going to be D, 12, 14, 15, which is your D, E, and F, your 1, your 2, and your flat 3. Then I got G, 12, 14, 15. That's going to be our 4, our 5, and our flat 6. We're going back to the 4 to give her room to go here. So that's our octave right there. And there's the 7th. That's the raised 7th. And that's the reason why this is a harmonic minor sound. Then we're going to add this right here on E12. That is going to be the 9. Later, we're going to be adding the octave of that flat 3 and 9. So when we do that, we're going to be going. So that is going to be B15 and E13, then B14 and E12. Then we're taking it up to B17 and E15. All right, so that takes care of what Guitar 2 will do, and you're going to hear that on the right side of the speaker. And also got a super small amount of delay to kind of make it have a little bit more of a three-dimensional quality. So keep your eye out for that. All right, when we go into our chorus, the chords are G5, C5, G over B, B flat, E5, A5, and D5. We're going to be adding octaves to flesh out those chord tones. So if I want the sound of G minor, I need to make sure that this B flat note is being heard. And instead of playing that bar chord, what I'm going to do is play an octave right here. So I am on A13, which is the B flat, and then G15, which is the B flat. So there's your two octaves. The trick with octaves is you need to make sure that you're touching the middle string, but you're not pressing it down. You don't want this. That sounds bad. So you want to just lightly touch it, but you don't want to actually press it down. So that's going to take care of the G. And when we go to the C, there's our E notes. So I've got E12 and D14. And that's going to take care of my C. So in a way, I'm playing that in my head. I'm thinking I'm playing G, C. So keep that in mind. Sometimes when you're playing lead, if you put yourself in the mindset of playing the rhythm guitar, like with the chords, it's a lot easier for everyone to hear you flow with the rhythm. And it's easier for you to follow along too. So we're going to be doing like a grace note. So it's not really going to be on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So kind of think of it like that instead of, it's like that. So we got the B flat, E. The next one we're going to be doing is A. So that's A12 and G14. And then that's going to take care of the... Now that's interesting because that G over B, if you had the A with it, it sounds kind of cool. So I'm kind of using... I'm using that trail with my octaves. That's the reason why that's the next one. So that's going to be over the G over B. And then we're going to the D. So that is E10, which is the D note, and D12. So far we have... Then we're going to go to the E minor. Even though we're playing E5, we're making that sound. So we're going to go A10 and G12, which is our G note. It's the flat 3, but it's the 4 of our D minor scale. Flat 3 of E, 4 of D. And that's going to take care of our second to last chord. There is our C sharp. So that is E9 and that is D11. And that'll take care of our A5. So we had B flat, E, A, D, G, C sharp, and then we're just going to go back to D, which is E10 and D12. Let me do it again. Don't worry, I've got tabs for this. Do it again. So here is it all put together. We have guitar 2. Then when we go to the octave, yep, thanks for checking us out today. We're going to be adding lead lines like with melodies next week. And make sure you can keep up with what we've been up to. Go to my channel and check out my playlists. Y'all have a blessed day and we'll talk to you soon.